us a video.
It's my favorite's birthday. I'm so excited to have everybody here. I'm trying not to cry. It's been a lot since June. June has been booked my ass, but I'm so happy.
Say hey. Say to the camera. Say to the camera. Period.
Hey y'all, she caught me off guard. My name is Shakira.
I didn't know we in a rush. Enjoying the moment so hush. All houses paying the bills.
Why are you on the floor, girl?
I'm always gonna sing it. I'm always gonna keep it a book.
Happy birthday.
Wait, my wings.
There you go. Yay.
Happy birthday to you. 1, 2, 3. Alright, hold on. Let me make a wish.
Okay. He said, shut it out. Not you a hater. He did that shit on purpose. Not you a hater. In the gang, in the cookie.
It's not that deep.
Yeah. That was alright.
Virgo season. Thank you. 5 below. Virgo season.
Yeah.
Virgo rising.
The best.
Virgo sun.
Virgo everything. No,
He said his bag is open.
The Queen's Day. Yeah, that's what I picked 21, and that's it.
No, it's actually Gemini. Gemini got it.
Oh, it's open. Oh, thank you. What's open? I thought you were saying it was hard. My bad. Yeah. I thought you said it was hard.
Now you showing the left, Josh on the right. They got to run all the way down there.
All right, Liv, go ahead. You can say it.
Go.
Who won?
It was like you said.
Yeah, Big Nine, never the little. What is Big Nine? Never the little. Never the little.
He's only that's 5'6". Kiss my big ass.
I'm not gonna lie. Nice you that cheated.
You better caught up if he was really that fast, though. If he was really that fast.
She cheated and then she popped shit.
She was winning by 5.
Oh nah, y'all too much. Y'all
Yo,
too
I
much.
seen her put her back. I said, oh, Nice is dusting him. Nice is dusting him.
Hey, who won? Josh won?
No recovery time? Like,
No recovery time.
no one's talking to you.
I have no recovery
No one's
time.
talking to you. No one's talking to you. Like I was saying.
Too much beef and too much
Yeah,
beef and
we could tell from the first race. We could tell from the first win.
yeah, they did too much.
Today is Labor Day and we decided to go to Ocean City.
Atlantic City.
Cut that out. Anywho, Atlantic City. We played a couple games. We had food. We decided to go to Wawa also so we could get our lunch. And everything's been going smoothly. We outside, y'all.
Period.
Enjoying the beautiful weather. I think it's like 94 degrees right now. Labor Day weekend. School tomorrow, but we're not worried about school right now.
Hobbies, scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's like you do.
I like this. This is nice.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
I get a lot.
budget, but we still outside. You heard?
Pole, nigga. Okay. Guys, what I smoke, nigga?
Just outside and having fun. Like, if you're not outside, where you at though?
Where the hell could you be? Where the hell would you go? Like, yeah.